when you said that your former employer was not big on training, like what's the training like available in the equipment side of things?
More than what you'd think. I know Ohio Cat here in Columbus. They do a lot of different classes and stuff like that. That the little bit of training that Eigel did do, that was usually their go-to. They would, unfortunately, we would end up doing one or two of those classes every winter when things are slower, but that was really about it as far as that goes. But they would always book us for like the same classes that we had the year before. So it got to the point with me where, I had told my boss actually probably the year prior to me leaving, like, hey, like I've already done this. I just did this class last year and stuff like it, not that it, maybe wouldn't have been a good refresher either way. I can't even remember what the heck the class was now, to be honest with you, but they didn't put much effort into trying to find anything else. Cummins, they have a very good online school that they do. They also do some training at their facilities and stuff